एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का ये वीडियो मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है बिकॉज़ आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ मेरे अपने इंडोर प्लांट का कलेक्शन। स्पेशल इसलिए बिकॉज़ आई रियली लव वॉचिंग दीज प्लांट्स एवरी मॉर्निंग क्योंकि दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ नाउ। जब भी मैं रोज़ सुबह उठती हूँ तो सबसे पहला काम मैं करती हूँ कि आई स्पेंड सम टाइम विद दीज प्लांट्स। मैं इनको देखती हूँ एंड व्हेन एवर देयर इज़ अ न्यू ब्लूम इट रियली गिव्स मी अ लॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. So in a way you can say that they bring a lot of, they make my day full. I feel they add a lot of energy to my day and a lot of positivity to my environment in which we are staying. So I like indoor plants. There are a variety of them. बहुत सारे indoor plants available हैं अभी, but we cannot have a lot of them. Out of a lot, I have chose a few to keep at my personal space, and that is what today I'm going to share with you in this video. Okay, to start with my collection, I don't know exactly where to start from because you can see there are a lot of them. बहुत सारे plants हैं मेरे पास, but to start with maybe let's start with my palm tree. मैं दिखाती हूँ. I have two of them at home. मैंने दो palm trees घर पे रखे हैं and come I'll show you how they look and why I like them. This is the first palm tree. I like it because it's got tropical look and you can see it's a huge one and I have kept it in the center of my living area. It looks very beautiful and it needs bright sunlight, indirect sunlight of course, और इसमें पानी की बहुत कम ज़रूरत होती है. You do not need to regularly water this plant. आप कहीं बाहर जा रहे हो, if you are going outside for a very long time, आप एक month के लिए 1 to 2 months if you are going outside, you need to just properly water the plant and go. इसका कुछ भी नहीं बिगड़ेगा. This will stay as it is. When you maybe a few tips will turn brown, but once you come back and you start giving water, the greenery will be back. You can see this is a new leaf coming up, and this looks very beautiful. ये मेरे living area के center room में है, center space पे है. This is the bigger one and I have a smaller one also available at my space. This is the smaller palm tree which is there. You can see ये भी काफ़ी हरा भरा सा है and I love the look it gives. It's very sharp and very beautiful look it gives and very fulsome look it gives. Next in my list are these snake plants. You can see I have two varieties of them. This is a smaller one. See, it has very thick leaves and these are also known as mother-in-law's tongue. Snake plant is important because it has a lot of benefits at home. And it's, according to Vastu, a snake plant is a beacon of good health and positive vibes. It can also remove major toxins that are responsible for sick building syndrome, and its anti-radiation properties can give you a blessing for a healthy life. So the snake plant is a succulent too, and that helps to maintain room freshness by absorbing all the harmful radiations from mobile phones, TVs, and giving you a stressful and a breathable environment. This is the other one. This is a small one which I usually keep in the office area. As you know that it keeps on computer table, reap the best benefit of a snake plant. So this is a small one which I prefer keeping it in the office area, home office area. You can definitely use it for one, and this one stays here in the family room. And it holds a unique property, that is it continuously absorbs carbon dioxide and removes formaldehyde to create a healthy environment even during the night. It is a very low maintenance plant and very easy to grow. It does not need to be watered regularly. So a busy schedule hai, you are a working woman and you have this, you want to keep some plant, this is one of the best options to keep because इसके benefits बहुत ज़्यादा हैं and it needs very low maintenance. It also does not need a lot of sunshine, so you can keep it in any part of your house. These are the two variety of snake plants I have. You can see this is the smaller one. This one is for the living area, this is the other variety. You can see there are these lines, golden lines, which you can see by the side of these leaves, and these are tall ones. This is also quite thick and sturdy, but these are a little different. They are only green, they do not have those golden lights, but still they are beautiful. I definitely love the snake plant as one of the best options to be kept at home. ZZ plant, and as the name suggests, ZZ ये इतना ही slow growth plant है. This tolerates or very minimum sunlight. अगर आप इसे जहाँ sunlight ना हो वहाँ भी रख दें, this will grow very well. It has these sturdy leaves, you can see shiny ones, and this is one amongst my favorite plants. These are very symmetrical in shape, all the leaves you can see, and when new leaves come, जब नए पत्ते आते हैं, you can see they are light green in color here, and when they mature, और जब mature होते हैं, then you can see these are the dark green leaves, and the shine in the leaves really make them look very pretty. Since this plant symbolizes friendship and prosperity, it makes it a great housewarming gift. तो अगर आप हाउस वार्मिंग पार्टी में किसी के लिए कहीं जा रहे हो और आपको कुछ समझ ना आ रहा हो कि what is to be gifted, this is one of the best options. And definitely it needs very low maintenance. तो कोई भी इसे आराम से अपने घर में रख सकता है या ग्रो कर सकता है very easily. आप 2 to 3 weeks में you need to give very little water. Once the soil get dried up, as you can see it's dried up, maybe next week I'm just planning to give it water. You can see अभी थोड़ा सा moist है, so this week I'm not gonna give it water. And it's very easy. One you are seeing at the bottom, these are this is jasmine, Brazilian jasmine. You can see these has velvety flowers which are of different colors. It is pink, maroon, this red. So I just love this flower. Just because of that I got this plant at home. This is not for everyone, I do not suggest, because इसमें ये थोड़ा this causes a skin irritation. जिसको नहीं सूट करता, this might cause skin irritation to the people. अगर आपको skin allergies नहीं है या कोई problem नहीं है, just because of the flower, the beauty of the flower I got this. These are perennial plants, not always, I mean they do not stay forever. This jasmine belongs to the vine family, so you can see this is growing और ये काफ़ी बढ़ के it can grow up. And so apart from these, the other plants which I'm going to show you is these are the pothos. ये grow both in water and as well as soil. So इसका easy maintenance और easy growth makes it possible for every person to keep it at home in any corner of your house. It does not need a lot of sunlight, and you can see इसके ये बहुत ज़्यादा grow कर गया. When I brought it, it was quite small. छोटा सा पौधा था. नाउ आप देख सकते हैं ये कितना सारा ग्रो कर गया है. इसके बहुत सारे स्टेम जैसे निकल के आ गए हैं. एंड that's what adds beauty to this plant. So and this is also one of I feel कि must have indoor plants. There are a lot of variety to it. पोथोस के बहुत सारे varieties होते हैं या मनी प्लांट का बहुत सारा variety होता है, such as golden pothos, marble pothos, neon pothos, and it cures sleep disorder. Pothos basically बहुत ज़्यादा it helps in filtering the air around, so it works as an air purifier. बहुत अच्छा air purifier के तौर पे भी ये use आता है या फिर घर में हमारे help करता है. And it is one of the best fortune bringing plants, and it is believed to shower a lot of money and prosperity to the owner. So as the name suggests, it's a money plant because it's supposed to bring a lot of money and prosperity to whosoever keeps it home. So this is the reason why even I love keeping this. And I do feel कि जैसा growth इसका होता है, you can see it's gives a very flowy look to the house. तो मुझे इसका ये लुक बहुत पसंद है, इसलिए मैंने इस प्लांट को काफ़ी अच्छे से ग्रो करके रखा है. एंड इट ग्रोज वेरी इजीली. यू डोंट हैव टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट टू कीप दिस प्लांट्स एट होम. सो इफ द नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी क्लोज टू इज दिस आर इंग्लिश आईवी. या देखो this is very the same with English ivy. This also grows very easily. ये भी बहुत easy है. लो सनलाइट चाहिए इसको भी, और पानी भी बहुत रेगुलर इंटरवल्स पे नहीं देना है. मे बी 2 weeks में आप इसको पानी देंगे तो भी चलेगा. That's fine with it. And just the soil needs to be a little moist, and that's fine with it. Sunlight भी लो चाहिए. And you can see it covers the ground very well. अगर आपको कोई wall या कोई ground या कोई space cover करना है तो this flowy look या आराम से ये पूरा ground या वो space cover कर सकता है. This can both be kept indoor and outdoor. I have kept it indoor because these are power packed with substantial quantity of giving oxygen at night. So that is why I prefer keeping them at home. मैं घर पे इसको अंदर इसीलिए रखती हूँ because they give a lot of oxygen at night, which helps to maintain, for a good sleep it's important to have a good environment, and this helps to maintain that a lot. And this is most of the times it covers the ground very fast, and wherever you put, इसको अगर आपने यहाँ से तोड़ के भी अगर छोटा सा stem अगर आप यहाँ से लेके, you can break it from any space and then put it in the soil, again it will start growing. So you can add on, it will multiply. So it's very easy and very fast growing plant. Photos in English ivy. The next in my list are these jade plants. You can see ये इसके leaves काफ़ी thick हैं. They are very thick, and this is a group of a succulent house plant which makes the family very resilient and easy to grow indoor. Plus they are very long life. इनकी life बहुत लंबी होती है. With their thick woody stem and oval shaped leaves, you can see these oval shaped leaves, and they have a miniature tree like appearance. This looks like a miniature tree, you can see, and it's very appealing for use as a decorative house plant. I find them very appealing कि आप कहीं भी इसको डेकोरेट करके किसी भी एरिया में आराम से रख सकते हैं. It definitely improves air quality and absorbs carbon dioxide, and this brings a lot of luck. So you can give it. It is considered to be one of the lucky plants to be kept at home. तो अगर आप किसी को गिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं, so this is also a good option. This can be a good option for any housewarming party or any other occasion where you feel you want to give good luck to the person next. And this is a low maintenance, that is, it needs very less water, very moderate sunshine, and since it's a camp plant, it increases the humidity of the house, so it works as a humidifier too. The next plant which I have at home is this aloe vera plant, you can see, and this plant, I would say, it brings a lot of positive energy and a truck full of benefits. As we know, this is very good for skin. ये skin के लिए बहुत 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 अच्छा होता है. And according to Vastu also, keeping aloe vera plant, it's a rich source of antioxidants and vitamins which helps to protect your skin and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. ये हम सभी को पता है. There are a lot of products available in the market जो हमारे लिए aloe vera के benefits हमें दिखाते हैं. So we all know about aloe vera by now. You can keep it near a window where they receive plenty of indirect sunlight, and too much sunlight भी इसके लिए अच्छा नहीं है, because अगर बहुत ज़्यादा sunlight in plants पे पड़ेगा, then the leaves will turn little brown. So to maintain the greenery, indirect sunlight is needed. Water भी इसको तब करना है जब आपको feel हो कि इसका soil has become dry. इसको moist रखना है soil को, and this is also an easy maintenance plant, and you can keep definitely a very good option to be kept at home. Okay, so talking of the next best plant which I have at home is these anthuriums or flamingo flower, you can say. I love this plant because of this beautiful flower it has. You can see these red flowers which is very unique. I love this plant. It is very unique, very beautiful, and definitely a very good air purifier and an excellent beautiful indoor plant with a sturdy leafy it's very beautiful. I love this plant for its beauty, and definitely it has its own benefits. It works as an air purifier too. इसको sunlight की बहुत कम ज़रूरत है, and it does not need a lot of water too. इसको थोड़ा बहुत regular intervals पे पानी आप देते रहें to keep the soil moist, and indirect sunlight is okay for this, and it makes the area looks bright and positive. ये तुलसी plant, or you can see the holy basil. I feel तुलसी, since we have seen our homes, at our homes बचपन से हमने देखा है कि तुलसी का प्लांट हमेशा हमारे घरों में होता है. So we have kept it here as well. हमारे पूजा एरिया के पास हमने इसको ग्रो करके रखा है. Since this place is quite cold, यहाँ पर बहुत ठंड होती है, so this needs a lot of maintenance. Although अगर आप इंडिया में हो तो you do not need to take a lot of care for this plant, but यहाँ पर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इसका केयर करना पड़ता है. Since the weather is cold, we need to keep it to a hot place जहाँ पर थोड़ी sunlight हो. We all know that tulsi is considered to be a very auspicious plant, and so this creates a lot of positive energy in the house. It helps in destroying negative energy, and it's basically this offers 20 hours of oxygen supply every day. घर में बहुत ज़्यादा ये air purifier का काम करता है. So I really like this plant. Apart from this medicinal values, stress relaxant, and it also controls inflammation. We all know that it absorbs the toxic gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. from the air, and this special characteristics which sense and soothes the nerves and helps to reduce anxiety. बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आपको anxiety की problem है तो definitely consider this plant as one of the best plants to be kept at home. ये उसमें आपकी काफ़ी मदद करता है, and it is used for treating other problems such as asthma, cold, sore throat, high BP and cholesterol के लिए भी ये काफ़ी helpful होता है. तो since we all know, since childhood हमारे घरों में होता है, तो we all know how beneficial this plant is and how much care this plants need. Here also we take extra effort to keep this plant alive, and indoor ये काफ़ी टाइम से है हमारे पास. This was the previous plant I had. अब ये dried up थोड़ा थोड़ा हो रहा है. Although the stem is not dried, इस पे leaves फिर से आ जाएंगे. But this is the new plant I made out of this old ones. मैंने इसके बीजे से, you can see these are the seeds of tulsi. ये इसको मैंने इकट्ठा करके इसको कलेक्ट करके एंड आई मेड दिस न्यू प्लांट फ्रॉम दैट. तो अभी ये जो न्यू है, दिस लुक्स, यू कैन सी दीज आर द न्यू लीव्स. ये अभी अभी नए हुए हैं पौधे. एंड सो तुलसी के बाद मैं अब आपको अपना नेक्स्ट प्लांट जो दिखाने वाली हूँ, दैट इज़ द पीस लिली. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद पीस लिली हियर. ये है मेरा पीस लिली का प्लांट. यू कैन सी दिस इज़ अ ह्यूज वन. इट हैज़ ब्यूटिफुल लॉन्ग लीव्स, शाइनी वंस. और ये फ्लावर्स जो थे पहले वाइट फ्लावर्स होते थे, अभी नाउ दे हैव टर्न्ड इनटू ग्रीन फ्लावर्स. पर ये इनिशियली जब, यू कैन सी अ न्यू वन कमिंग अप, एब्सोल्युटली वाइट. ये वाइट फ्लावर जो आ रहा है, एंड लेटर ऑन ये धीरे धीरे से ग्रीन टर्न कर गया. सो दिस इज़ माई ब्यूटिफुल लिली प्लांट. पीस लिली इज सपोज टू ब्रिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिटी, पीस and lot of happiness to the house. So definitely, as the name suggests, it's kept for peacefulness and happiness. So I do like this plant for its reason, and it's beautiful too. And these plants are favorable in providing good oxygen rate during night hours and helps in good sleep periods. Usually grown in a pot. These are pot plants. ये देख सकते हैं आप, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी इसको पॉट में रखा है. यू कैन ऑल्सो कीप इन योर बेडरूम्स फॉर अ गुड स्लीप इन केस यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ स्लीप डिसऑर्डर. And this fragrant plant is not only loved by people for its benefits, but is also being celebrated by Vastu. Vastu में भी इसका बहुत ज़्यादा importance है, as it brings peace and harmony. And it's an awesome plant, an awesome indoor plant to be kept at home. And I'm happy that it's a part of my collection too. This hibiscus, you can see, इसमें red flowers आते हैं. And this reminds me of my childhood memories. ये मेरे childhood memories से काफ़ी ज़्यादा related है, because when I used to visit my grandma's house, we had a lot of hibiscus trees which was pink and red and yellow, white. So रोज़ सुबह हम उनके साथ फूल तोड़ने जाया करते थे, and we had a lot of hibiscus there. So that's what, when I saw this plant here for the first time, I was really I felt so close to it, and I felt as if my childhood days were reminded. So I got this plant. अभी तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा flowers आ रहे थे, but right now you can see small छोटी छोटी कलियाँ हैं इसमें. Maybe later on they'll bloom. I'll also share a pic with you जिस बहुत सारे flowers एक बार में इसमें आए हैं. This is succulents. You can see a lot of varieties of them are in this one. This is something which has a lots of benefits. इसके बहुत सारे benefits हैं. इसके it looks very small. ये काफ़ी छोटे होते हैं. Very less maintenance needed. You can see there is very little soil at the end. और इनको आप जब तक ये bone dry ना हो, you do not need to put water in it. You can see there is very little soil at the bottom. बहुत कम soil है bottom में, and then all these succulents are being planted. And but since these plants have a lot of benefits, I do suggest कि अगर आप सोच रहे हैं इनको रखने के लिए, तो please do consider them indoor plants. अगर आप रखना चाहते हैं तो this is one of the most beneficial ones to be kept. These succulents, they love sunlight, इसलिए मैंने इनको विंडो के पास में रखा है. And almost 6 hours of sunlight per day इनको चाहिए होता है, depending upon the type of plant they are. And they are great indoor plants because they adopt any dry condition. इनको पानी की बहुत कम ज़रूरत है. I told you, जब तक ये bone dry soil ना हो तब तक इसको पानी की बहुत ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. अगर आप even if you leave it for a month, अगर आप वाटर करके 1 महीने के लिए भी वाटर डाल के अच्छे से सॉइल को मॉइस्ट करके, if you are going out somewhere for a month, आप वापस आओगे, you'll find them in the same condition as they were. So these stay for a very long time at home with a very good life, and they thrive in any condition, I mean any dry condition, and it gives a very bright look. As you can see, इनके बहुत सारे shades हैं, lighter shades, darker green, and so that makes it a little different, and different designs too. You can see these, it helps in improving the humidity of your home, so which is a very good benefit and adds oxygen to the environment. And this plant is I like because मैं इनको बहुत ज़्यादा इसलिए भी पसंद करती हूँ because it helps to improve focus and it increase the pain tolerance level. अगर आपका pain tolerance level के लिए, it is said to act as a very good pain tolerance level, which it increases, and it enhances memory. So if you have kids at home, this has some positive vibes, and this also helps to build a good memory and also helps to focus, and it also increases the pain tolerance. And this all जो characteristics हैं या benefits हैं इस plant के, that make it special for every household. ये इसको special बनाते हैं कि every household में this can be kept as an indoor plant. So this is one of my favorites. I really love this plant, and definitely बहुत low maintenance के साथ साथ इतना benefit होना is a big deal, and so it's really adds a lot of beauty to my space as well. You can see. Also, I want to tell you about this leaves. These are called ruscus leaves. ये मेरे घर में पिछले 1.5 years से हैं, and इनकी special बात ये है कि पिछले 1.5 years में neither these leaves had roots. You can see there are no roots, और ना ही इनमें extra leaves आती हैं. We do not have an extra leaf, but they are the same from 1.5 years. They are real leaves, trust me, they are real. They are not fake ones, and they stay forever the same. I don't know for how long. I read it online, it was saying it stays for 3 to 4 weeks, but I have them from past 1 year, and whenever I get it, I mean, it adds a lot of greenery to my space. The real ones, I just change water every week. हर week में या 15 days में मैं इसका बस water change करती हूँ, and it stays fresh and it stays alive, and it's the same leaf from 1 year in my house. So these are called ruscus leaf. अगर आपको ये मिलते हैं तो प्लीज़ ट्राई कीपिंग देम. दे डेफिनेटली एड अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रीनरी टू द स्पेस, एंड इट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. व्हेनेवर आई गेट अ बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स, मैं इन लीव्स के साथ ऐड कर देती हूँ, सो इट लुक्स वेरी फुलसम बुके, बहुत अच्छा लुक देता है. एंड whenever the flowers they dry up, I take out the flowers, and these leaves they remain the same. So just try finding it. Yeah, I got them from Produce Junction. You'll also find them at Traders Joe and other places. तो आप एक बार ज़रूर से try करें. If you find them, it's a good option to be kept at home. This is how they look. You can see. This is also part of my. These are Zarvera daisies. You can see the flowers. अभी ये ख़त्म हो गए हैं, but they were from quite a month time. From a month. This is pink Zarvera. This is yellow, and this is orange. I got 3 colors of them. ये इंडोर काफ़ी अच्छे रहते हैं. They need sunlight, इसलिए मैंने इनको विंडो पे रखा है, and regular watering too. And this gives a very good look, and also the flowers are very pretty. जब भी फूल आते हैं, they look very pretty. This is pothos again. You can see. This also acts as an air purifier. ये रात में काफ़ी oxygen generate करता है, so it makes the environment quite beautiful at night. Good for home. So, and the pothos I was talking about, this is another kind of, ये थोड़े different है. You can see these leaves are a little different from the one I showed you earlier. This too has thick stems and beautiful leaves, a little different, so I have kept it. यहाँ पर मैंने काफ़ी सारा pothos रखा है अपने घर में. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, एंड इफ़ यू फाइंड एनीथिंग यूजफुल प्लीज़ गिव इट अ थम्स अप. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.